All right. So let me make sure that I'm good. Right. Right. First year for the one. First year for the one that February actually. Yeah. And all the same about that shades on. Yeah. Just like the market bandit now. Yeah. So market bandit. Don't mind the shits. Yeah. What they can laugh. What they can laugh. Right. Nothing. Right. Besides that, today my first year for the month actually. This year started off with January was good. January I get in 5 trades for the month. Was profitable. Well, pushing for this month, fourth. Didn't see my setup Monday, didn't see my setup Tuesday. Patience, come on, reward me. Steady, get my trade, hold back. One trade for the action and I was good. Right, so I was just sure there, the trade tactic, right? I couldn't get a um record because what they would not see me here because I was doing something. So I just place the trade I went and do to finish it fast and when I come back. And it don't come back. I hit break even. I was like, you know what? Let me just make a video. So yeah, it's broad daylight. Yeah. So alright. So today my bias on goal actually was I was actually aiming for a seller because okay. So at the Marco Asian session highs and Malahad Asian session lows Marco as well. Right. So this trade was gonna play off for me. This trade. Alright. Number 7. If this trade had tapped me in, I'd have been in this trade since around 4 o'clock this morning. 4. No, around 5. Let me say around 5. Yeah, I'd have been in this trade around 5 when I sweep the Asian session high for myself. Okay, so here it is. So when London sweep the Asian session high, right? It make two liquidity. Well, it make a liquidity sweep, and then when the 101 are tested again, right, I close underneath it. It didn't close with nobody candle, it just closed that way. Okay, so when I see that, I realized the 4 hour was not aligned with it. So I went straight to my 5 minutes. So I went to my 5 minutes. Okay. First of all, when this first one I did sweep, I didn't see no entry. Right? So I didn't see no bearish fair value gap, no bearish anything. Right? The- right here. So I didn't see like no bearish fair value gap, no bearish, nothing, no signs that I could have entered, but I already get a confirmation. It was a liquidity. Then after that, I see come and sweep back again and go and retest it back on using session high. I said if this one close below, then I have a next opportunity that market was just ranging right here for a while. So I went straight to my 5 minutes now. So when I went to my 5 minutes, no, right here. So when I went to my 5 minutes now, this is where I find my bearish fair value gap. 5 minutes bearish fair value gap on this entry, on this in between 5,068.93, right? I set a limit, stop loss was above here, right? So at a limit here, stop loss was above right here, above this, and I was targeted the Asian session lows, right? So myself, that I was trying to tell myself, I knew I wanted to sell. I was waiting for the sell for a good, like, I was just feeling the sell. Okay, so this was the Asian session low. So take profit was there. Okay, so my take profit was on the Asian session low. That was for the daily open was and all do. Right, so well, you see what price do, yeah boy. Price just never come back to the entry and just decided to drop. Okay, I ain't done. So I was like, I didn't let FOMO get to me. I didn't let nothing get to me. I didn't, I was like, you know what? At least the market went in my direction. Although I know I'll make banks here. But I was like, you know, it is what it is. The market went in my direction. It still went in my favor, all I wasn't true. Alright, so let me show you the trade I get that, this trade was a short trade, right? It's a buy, but it finished. It was like a short trade. So, the buy here now. So, while playing out now, the London, come I get sweep. London low. Right? So, when the London high and London finish and Marco London high, London low. London session, low gets swept by this previous, well, this one hour can. Big rejection. So this is the by I code 30 that me get a first shade for it. All it was, right? And I'll tell you why I take the buy, sir. Why I take the buy. Right? So what just let me just throw it out. Right, so I 5 minutes for value, right? No, no. Reason why I take this buy on goal. So I adapted the market because I knew I just do stick to one buy. So I adapted the market. Right? Even yes, goal fall, right? Goal make change a heart right here. Right? So this was our option. Then now it come and break a previous lower high. Like close body candle close, make a change a heart. Then okay, I didn't even do all this I want to do. Right? So it make well it make a break a structure here. So this confirming option. Okay, so it may break a structure here, option. And then another break a structure here. Showing you that okay, market overall right now the market well since the major actually has that it's in an option right now. Okay, so I was like, okay, even if it's an option, I can still take a buy. So I just adapted the market. So I see London logo sweep and I enter right. So I enter here, went to some true wrong, but it was still a winning trade. Enter here. I was target, but since it was an option, I was like, you know what? Let me target these. Let me target the Asian session high. Again, this one is London session high. Okay, well, this was that no was a previous daily high because I'm mark the daily high and the low. I'm a stop loss right underneath right here. Right, so this was just a 1 to 4 risk reward ratio was really targeting. And well, then you stop order. Don't worry. I know. Right. So this was TP1 here. I was starting this 5 minute on liquidity. And I was targeting this all this was my take profits here. Right. These was my take profits here. Right. See calculate can even do this one 'cause this was one of my take profit as well. Okay, so this was take profit 1, take profit 2, take profit 3, take profit 4, and well, take profit 5, full TP. Stop loss at this New Jones and liquidity that has 5,012.55, right? 35. So when I get happy, went to some drawdown. So TP1 come and hit, then TP2, right? And but then after I put break even, but you see here, stop and back out at break even. Right? So let me tell you how much I make. Me just another one. So that close off one ED. I make one. Okay, so when I see profits, I close off on $500. Right. Actually, just see 1100. Right. So it closed it relative just had the like it had up to 1100. Well, yeah, the cent. So 1100 I make in this trade here today. Yeah. But although my whole bias was the sell, so the sales was more stronger. So if I wasn't the sell, I'd be make more money than I make in the buy. But it is what it is. I win as I win. You know, so hit TP1, TP2, and that was it after. Fall back at break even. Yeah. So make 1130. That is about 30 for the goal. Yeah, I couldn't record 30 because I just placed that trade and I was doing something 30. Yeah, I was busy 30, so hopefully for the rest I could actually catch a light trade while I here itself and so but this one is this This are good trade for the first day. For me, for the first day, yeah, first day of the month. Sorry, yeah, profitable for the year. So, yeah. Right. So that was the buy actually, guys, and Mickey Lemon said I could sure I know the trade who I enter and how I come out. And how I just stop what I break even. Cool. Um, yes, I don't know if I will see it, but if I see the first arrow around here, right, you see the first arrow with enter right there, study, take profits up here. I didn't take profit at TP1 though. I take profits at when I reach TP2. So that way, let's see when I reach TP2 days where I take profit, because they will just see like, flat 1100, flat 1100, just see it. And then I just put break even, so I see if it even go, I'll just see more profits out there. Didn't come and stuff back out at break even. Um, yeah. So that glib but I'm going before I go see that. Anyways. Right, so there is so much time today. And reason why markets so right now, someone they don't know if they don't know the US government shut down right now. Yeah, back again after US government shut down, so try to be careful in market, guys. Don't overrisk, over leverage, right? And yeah, just stick with them one trade. I barely trade and all since this year start 5 years, 5 trades for January, 4 trade for the month. Right, so just only trade when you see a setup. Don't trade wild, don't trade in know how. Don't trade in news especially. Okay, so eh? So that is it for the video. Let's make it 100 on the day. Still good, still out on the day. And trade safe guys.